interrupt is when you do something like this. See, a pattern interrupt is designed to break the pattern. Okay, Tony Robbins, I figured it first. Tony Robbins, pattern interrupts, he does state changes. He gets people up and moving. Pattern interrupt. For my hand, because now it's bleeding. So pattern interrupt, he gets people moving around. If you walk into your classroom, you go, if you're listening, hands in the air, touch your nose. All the kids do it. If you change your voice and your accent, even if in the workshop right now, the keynote, you're not paying attention, you don't have a choice, because your ears are pricked up, and even if you were looking on your phone, get in my belly, it doesn't make a difference. What kind of sound does a chicken make? What kind of sound does an airplane make? What kind of sound does a chicken on an airplane make? What? Thinking? No, come on. By the way, these are all things you can be doing as you're setting up the room. These are the things you could be doing. When I'm setting up or when I'm talking to a director or putting spots down or whatever, I'll either give the kids a do now, or as I'm putting up my absolute course, I'll go, what kind of sound does this make? What kind of sound does that make? I am not interested in giving the children more than 1 or 2 seconds of transition time.